Welcome back, everyone. Wanted to make a video on, excuse me, Akhlut. So, as you can see, I've got him awakened to 30 and awakening power up to the first tier. I'm going to go ahead and level him now, and gear him out, and put him into my flagship, where I'm going to replace Tigrand and see how he does. So let's go here. I have him to enough to get him to 8 stars. Actually, a little more. Oops, I should have done that. Wanted to have a side-by-side comparison of 8 stars with Tigrand, but anyways, should be close enough. Okay, now I am going to equip him first. Swap his gear with... Who did I take out? As Will. Put on Will's. And then I will put on Will's armor. Will's armor. There we go. Now let's swap him out with Tigrand. It's a 1-1 swap. All right. So you can see he's first mate, defensive. You can take the Lion's Roar. So let's go with Srag. Okay, 3 challenges. Here we go. Okay. I'm gonna save one challenge and try something different. So let's look at the reports so far. So his damage is 13. Yeah, it looks like 13. Shield is 15. Okay. Nope, wrong one. Damage is 20. And shield is 19. Okay, let's look at a old report with Tigrand there. He only does shield, no damage. Shield is significantly less. So he is a big improvement. But he doesn't do the damage reduction. So let's look at this here. Yeah. He's only doing shield's only 300,000. So as you can see, Akhlut is way better in damage. And shield. Oh, who's this? Oh, that's Rag. So as you can see, damage is up there, 13, and shield 15, way better. However, I do like the damage reduction on him. I'm gonna try something with this. It's a little different. I'm gonna take out Duman. He does have shield, but I don't want aggro on him. So I think I'll take Duman's. Increases the drowning damage. Okay, I'm gonna swap that out with Tigrand. Just for shits and giggles. If this works out, maybe I'll keep Tigrand in the lineup. Right here. And give him another Lion's Roar. Right? Because the Lion's Roar doesn't take aggro, deals basic damage, absorbs damage, so that might be a good alternative, but let's see how it does. Oh, that didn't work out. There we go. It's a little weird. There we go. See what that does. Having Duman in there is actually better. Akhlut still does good stuff. Damage, 0 shield. 4 mil. I'll play around with him a little bit more. I don't have any more challenges left, but you know, maybe put a spyglass on him, or maybe even a hand on him and see how it goes. But overall, guys, Akhlut is a better improvement than a Tigrand improvement. So if I were you, I would get him and do an investment and go for him since he's there anyways. Thanks for watching, and I will make another video shortly. Remember, like and subscribe.